Alright, so I just purchased this clock camera here, and I'm gonna open it up and see what I got and try to see if I can do a quick setup to show everyone how it's done. So this is the cleaning cloth. This is to open, I think, to open the cover. This is the camera itself. We have this card here. It's the instruction. There it came with. Detailed instruction on how to set up the app. Manual. More information, instructions on how to set up. That's the pin to reset the camera if need be. That's the disk if you want to set up the software on your computer. The power cable. I'm actually going to use this because I don't know if the battery has been charged, so I'll plug that in. And this is the power brick. And that's it. So I'll plug that in. So this is how you're gonna open up the camera in the back. Obviously that's the port that I would plug that power cable into. We're gonna open this. So here you have the rechargeable battery. This is where you put the SD card, the reset button, and that's the power switch right there. And this is where I would plug this in. So I'll just put back on the cover. Then I'll just plug this power cable in, just so it would stay connected. We'll wait for it to boot up, and then I'll try to set it up on my phone. So I think it's ready. So I already have the app installed, but before you even download the app, what you need to do here is go into the settings of your phone, and you would go to Wi-Fi. And from here you would look for the camera. That would be the camera right there. That long Wi-Fi address at I think that's called the ID for the camera. I would click on that and wait for it to connect. So as you can see, it's now connected. Alright, now that it's connected, we want to close that out, and I'm going to open up the app. The app is called P2P Live Cam. I'll click on that, and from here I'm using the app currently for another camera that I have, so that's what you're seeing there. But from here, what you would do, you would click on the plus symbol up here, icon, and you would name the camera. I'll name it something like clock cam. And from here, what I would do is search. And once I hit search, the camera comes up right there. Click on it, and the password is already in there, which by default the password will show up. So, but it's also in the manual. You hit OK, and waiting, and it says online. Once you see that, you go ahead and you click that. It'll ask if you want to change the password. For now, I'll skip. But here is what you would click on if you want to change the password to something. I recommend that everyone change the password to something unique. But for now, I'm just going to skip. So I'll skip that, and there you go. That's the camera. can see it's connected. Yeah, looks pretty good. And here you have the setting. You can change. That's currently on normal, so I can change it to high definition. As you can, oh wow, this is so clear. This is amazing. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is wow. The image is it's just simply stunning. I definitely recommend this. This looks really good. You have the voice. Hello. The app is pretty good too. You can actually change the contrast, the brightness. I use the app for another camera, so the app has tons of features in here. You can go to the device setting, and you can set up alarm where you have push notifications. Push notifications set up. You can change how high, how low from here. You can change your password. You can reboot the camera from here. What else you can do? If you put the SD card in there, you know, this is where you have all the settings for it. Here is where you will actually go to change your Wi-Fi. You'll search for your Wi-Fi network where you will essentially have the camera set up, and you will put in that information. So once your information is set up for your Wi-Fi that you where you're using the camera, you're all set in terms of the camera being connected to the network, so you can use it when you're not at the location. You can be at work, on the road, wherever, and the camera can be running, and you can actually log into it. You can turn off the LED if there's one flashing. And that's really about it. It's a really good camera. You can actually let's go in here again. You actually have the option of doing snapshots. You can also record videos, and let's see. So that's the photo that I just taken. Back. And that's the video. Obviously there's not much movement going on in the video that I just took, but there you go. There you have it. Looks like a really good camera, folks. Check it out.